Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna to discuss about common emitter amplifier and how this amplifier will work. Actually, I draw this circuit in Proteus, in the Proteus 8 version. It's a professional, okay, and it is a schematics capture of the device. First of all, you can see here it is a transistor, and the transistor number is 2N3904. I'm using as a common emitter amplifier transistor here. And besides this, when I will click on this input, you can see the specification. Its amplitude, and amplitude is 100 millivolt, and its frequency is a 50 hertz. I selected here, and then I will press OK. And beside it, this is the first resistor. It is current limiting resistor here, and its value is 10 kilo ohm. And beside this is the 47 microfarad. It's a coupling capacitor with its couple input signal in base terminal. This is the R2 and R3 is a voltage divider network. Okay, R2 is a 20 kilo ohms and R3 is a 3.6 kilo ohm resistor. It is connected on the input of common emitter amplifier, and these are the voltage divider circuit basically. Beside this is the RC resistor, and its resistor value is 1.2 kilo ohm. And beside this 220 ohm resistor connected on the emitter, it is also a current limiting resistor. And this is the capacitor you can see here, and you can see capacitor C3 47 microfarad. It is a bypass capacitor. It is used to bypass AC signal to the ground. And C2, this is the C2. C2 is a 47 microfarad, and it is also used for as a coupling capacitor, couple the signal which is generated on the collector terminal to the output across RL. And this is the voltage DC voltage, and you can see this is a 12 volt DC supply. Okay, I will connect on the terminal, then I will simulate it. When I will simulate, you can see this is your oscilloscope, and oscilloscope is showing two types of signal, because here I can present you A terminal I connected with the input, and B terminal I connected with the output, right? So you can see A terminal color is yellow, and B terminal color is blue. So A terminal color, you can see it is the input wave and it is the output wave. And in the specification of common emitter amplifier, you can see common emitter amplifier always invert its signal, input signal 180 degree. So you can see when it is going to be 90 degree, it is going on 180 degree. Okay, it is totally opposite, out of phase with each other. So it is also amplify the gain and amplitude of the signal on the input, because basically it is an amplifier. So this is all about from common emitter amplifier. So gentlemen, if you find my video helpful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more interested videos about electronics in the future. Thank you very much for watching.